Welcome to ExpressTime Solutions tutorials. Today I would like to show you how to set up an employee in ExpressTime Solutions. When you log into ExpressTime Solutions, you'll go under Personnel and Employees. Once you come to Employees, you're able to hit the plus for Insert Record, and it will give you a blank page so you can insert the new employee. After adding the name and the address, and you add in their social security, it will grab the last four of their social for their PIN number for them to be able to clock in and out and to log in and out of their mobile applications. Another thing that is very key is we've encouraged to do cell phones and find their carrier. Add their carrier in so that way they can be texted and notified by different things that are going on in the business or maybe information you need to send to them at a later date. And then you can add their email, accounting ID, and their basic information on the right-hand side. You also will be able to see more prompts down as exclude from payroll export if you do not pay them through the payroll export. You can clock in by service if they have a specific service they're doing or prompt them for their building. You can also, these are informational things between if they're subcontractors or sales reps. You can link them to an ET user, ExpressTime user. And then you can also look and put them in personal time off information or put them in as an inspector. On the right-hand side at the top, you have the mobile options. This is an option you can allow your employees to use the ExpressTime mobile application. If you want to allow them to be able to clock in using the GPS and the geofencing application, then you would just say allow to clock in, allow them to request open shifts, allow them to order supplies to their building, which will be ordered to you. The order will be sent in to you, and then you will be able to deliver it to them as needed. And if you allow them to request time off, you can give them the options for any of these mobile options here. Each employee can be set up specifically to their needs. Down at the bottom, also, approved buildings in the bottom right. By clicking on approved buildings and adding in an insert record and adding in approved buildings, your managers will be able to know what buildings that they might be familiar with or they have worked in based off of this approved building while they are in the field in case they need some help. There's many other things that you can set up in certifications to schedules to pay rate history, many other things that can be set up in the employee record that you can go through and get as detailed as you would like. Once again, this is to set up a basic employee to be able to clock in and out and utilizing the ExpressTime system in mobile.